Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aditi, and if you're seeing me for the first time, then I make videos on skincare, makeup and my lifestyle, and today's video is all about hair coloring. As you guys know that last time I colored my hair with Intense Red from Garnier and it was one of the best colors. I always use that color, but this time मैंने सोचा कुछ अलग करते हैं because यार red बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया था and मैं 3-4 साल से मैं रेडी कर रही हूँ, तो मेरे दोस्त वगैरह, मेरे फैमिली, मेरे फ्रेंड्स सब मुझे as a redhead जानते हैं. So I thought let's give it some change. So that's the reason I thought of changing it, and now I'm gonna switch to okay, L'Oreal. So yes, I will be doing this L'Oreal Paris Casting Creme Gloss Conditioning Color. Oh my god, such a big name. And मैं शेड हूँ 360 ब्लैक चेरी में. आई एम श्योर आपको ये पैकेजिंग हर एक स्टोर में, हर एक डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर में, हर एक मेडिकल स्टोर में मिलेगी, बट दिस कलर इज न्यू गाइज. यस, दिस कलर इज न्यू. दिस इज द ब्लैक चेरी वर्जन. दिस इज वन ऑफ द कलर्स. अभी रिसेंटली एड आ रहा है, I think Aditi Rao Hydari, Shakti Mohan. This was the color worn by Shakti Mohan. I was so intrigued, like मुझे एक बार try करना है. So I was thinking कि lockdown चल रहा है यार, lockdown second wave everything, तो घर पे बहुत ज़्यादा I am getting bored, so I thought of trying this color. Now I'm gonna do this with you guys and will show you guys how this color looks on my hair. My hair color condition right now is, as you can see, the color is pretty much gone. Like the last time I had the color, it's been more than 3.5 months, so the color is almost gone, and the color is like on the root or like on the ends you can find it, and on some, you know, here and there you'll find the color. And I have black color hair coming, the virgin hair which is coming. So yeah, this is going to be a good time to try this color and see how it looks on me. If it looks on me, it will look good on you obviously. So yeah, without, let's start the video. Okay, so पैकेजिंग में हमें क्या क्या मिलता है, मैं इस वीडियो को हिंदी में भी करना चाहूँगी बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम मैंने सब इंग्लिश में किया था एंड पीपल वर लाइक थोड़ा हिंदी में भी. सो या आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सो दिस टाइम देखते हैं कि पैकेजिंग में क्या क्या मिला है हमें. सो अबाउट द कॉस्टिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, आई गॉट दिस packet for quite expensive. It is for 550 rupees guys. Yes, the Garnier one was around 180 rupees. This is for 550 rupees. So मेरे इससे बहुत ज़्यादा hopes आई हैं. I don't know, like I really don't know कि कैसा जाएगा कैसा नहीं, but मेरी high hopes थोड़ी high हैं because this shit is expensive. So इसमें हम देखते हैं हमें क्या क्या मिलता है. It says that it is rich ultra glossy color, optimal gray coverage, lasts up to 28 shampoos. So 28 shampoos is a very big claim because 20 shampoos, it's for like good 3 months approx. So let's see if 3 months तक ये कलर चलता है या नहीं. And yeah, I don't think इसमें extra कुछ है, just the normal coloring instructions and how we color, you know, your hair at home. So it's like leave on for 20 minutes, rinse and apply the shine mask and you'll be good to go. Okay, so let's see what we have inside the package. Okay, we are getting a lot of things. So this is the, okay, first things first. First we get this L'Oreal Casting Creme Gloss Colorant. This is the colorant. This is how the colorant looks like. The Garnier one looks green. This looks white and pink given it's L'Oreal. So yeah, this is how it looks like. After the colorant we have the developer. The developer like looks like this. This is how it, like I don't know, मैंने बहुत सारी वीडियोस देखी हैं इस पे, इस कलर पे, तो मतलब इतनी वीडियोस मुझे मिली नहीं, यूट्यूब पे शायद है नहीं, बट इस रेंज में आई हैव सीन सो मैनी ऑफ पीपल, यू नो, यूजिंग दिस बॉटल ओनली टू कलर योर हेयर. डूड, इससे अगर आप कलर करोगे देन यू क्रिप दैट तुम्हारा कलर नहीं आ रहा है, इसका मतलब दिस इज़ नॉट द वे यू शुड कलर योर हेयर. यू नीड अ प्लास्टिक बोल, यू नीड इट, यू नीड अ ब्रश. दैट्स हाउ यू डू योर कलरिंग एट होम. ये कोई प्रोफेशनल सैलून नहीं है, आपको घर में कलर करना है तो आपको इनकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. सो इसके अंदर सब भर के कलर करने से आपको अगर रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा है तो दैट मीन्स आपका कलर करने का फॉर्मूला या तरीका सही नहीं है. सो आई एम गोना शो यू हाउ आई डू माई कलरिंग. We are not going to use this at all. So first, third thing, हमें इसका एक मास्क भी मिला है. This is the after wash mask. Once the color is dry on my hair, उसके बाद मैं मास्क लगा के निकाल दूँगी और आपको दिखाऊंगी कि वो कैसा आया है. This is the end result. So उसको हम साइड में रखते हैं. So I'm taking this plastic bowl. मैंने अपने लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि गाइस प्लास्टिक बोल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज कलर आप मेटालिक बोल में नहीं कर सकते. दैट विल रिएक्ट the chemical reaction will be there and your color might get dark or whatever. It can do anything with the chemical reaction. So always use a plastic bowl and use this brush. I'm using this brush from my home. घर पे पड़ा था, कर लो यार, वेगा का था मेरे पास, वो खो गया, मिल नहीं रहा. So I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so first things first, मैं colorant ले रही हूँ. I'm gonna take this colorant and I'm gonna put this colorant in my bowl. Oh, the color is real. So I finally got the color out. This is how the color looks like. A little disgusting, but क्या करें, लगाना तो पड़ेगा. And this is the developer. This is how the developer looks like. I'm gonna add the developer in the color. अच्छे से. So I have mixed the color. This is how the color is looking like. Black cherry सा ही लग रहा है अभी तक तो. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but it looks good so far. So अब I'm gonna wear my gloves because ये एक छोटी सी kit भी आती है इसके साथ. I don't know इसमें क्या है. Let's see. Okay, gloves. I was looking for them यार. Gloves मिले. ये आप पढ़ सकते हैं if you want. Otherwise मैं अपने बालों को कम से कम 10-15 बार कलर कर चुकी हूँ. I think I'm a pro now. I don't need to read it. But अगर आप पहली बार कर रहे हो तो कुछ पढ़ लेना. Otherwise the way I'm telling you, just go for it. I'm using pins just like a hair clip. Using this to secure my hair. Changed. Damn, it has changed. Nervous. Okay, I'm gonna start from here and I'm gonna take the back hair. Or start with this one only. Okay. Take the color and start applying it. When you apply the color, make sure that you are just, using your fingers and your hands to make sure the color is on the ends. And then the ends, which are really important. Use a comb. I always say use a comb to make sure the color is everywhere. This is how you make sure the color is in it. By using a comb. The section is done. Fine. I've colored the lower two sections. Now it's time to color the head area. So just gonna open this up. Take this area, this much, like the crown section away. This much away. And from here I'm gonna take this much away. I'm gonna take these two sections and I'm gonna clip them. My hair is just the front section is remaining. So then I'm going to show you how I do my front section. I just want to take one by one the sections, like that much is enough. Now take a brush, color it like this. This will make sure आपका color आपके roots से आपके length तक आ रहा है. and then flip the hair and do the same thing. Whew, almost done. I'm going to take my comb and comb them. Just to make sure the color is everywhere, not and below. No, not everything. Alright, in a bun. So we're all set with the color, and now I'm gonna just go and wash this area so that the color doesn't stick on my forehead. And I'm gonna wait for 25 to 30 minutes so the color gets dried, and then I wash it. And I'm gonna come back with using that mask which came along with the packet, and I'm gonna show you the end results. This is the wait, guys. This is a very long wait I do for the closure of the video. So yeah, stay tuned till I come back with my new black cherry hair.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface.
Hi guys, welcome back to the video. So this is how my color has turned out. As you can see, the color, like, I'm sitting in bright sunlight just because I want you guys to see the color and how it has, you know, created its effect on my hair. Like, I am in love with the color. Like, मुझे color इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. It's like, you know, the blackish cherry. I wanted exactly how it was on the, you know, packaging, and this is how my color is looking like. As you can see, it's pure black cherry. The color is looking so pretty. Like, I just asked my father and my mom, and they both liked it so much. And this color is exactly looking like the print on the packaging. Like, can you see the color here? This color is exactly looking like that, as you can see. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate when you guys come along and leave a comment asking a lot of questions regarding hair coloring, and I love answering those questions for you all. I have been coloring my hair for more than 3 years now, and I know what to do, when to do, and how to do when it comes to coloring. And I hope you will leave a lot of questions for me this time also. I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. And before I end this video, I want to let you know, always color your hair when your hair is neat and clean. For example, if you want to color your hair today, you have to wash your hair either yesterday or tomorrow or today, so that your hair is quickly clean, and when you apply the color, you don't have to use a shampoo later. Once you apply the color, you wait for 30 minutes, then you wash the color with only water and the conditioner which comes along with the pack itself. Whether it's a Garnier product, whether it's a L'Oreal product, whether it's a Streaks product, every coloring packaging will give you a conditioner, so you have to use the conditioner and just water to rinse your hair, and that's how you will get this look. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all like this video. Now I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, subscribe, like, comment, and stay healthy and secure and safe during this COVID times. I love you all. Bye bye.